Welcome to SSA Radio this evening. This is Bo Kyung Kim.
And this is Taeyeon Zhang speaking.
Today we bring to you the long-awaited tips and tricks for SNU students. Before we start, we would like to say thank you to everyone who has submitted their questions and curiosities regarding SNU and Korean college student life. We selected one message from the pool and we'll be giving our thoughts on it today. Taeyeon, could you please read it out?
Sure, our message is from a foreign student studying in SNU. This is my third year in SNU and it's my first time I didn't get accepted for the school dorm. I don't have any Korean friends or a place to stay in Korea, and I really don't know what to do. Could you please give advice on how to look for housing around campus? I really hope my question gets selected because I'm so desperate.
Seems like a great question to talk about today.
Right, housing is a big concern, especially if you are a foreign student.
Totally. Now that SNU is trying to start with offline classes, it has become even more important to find places to stay nearby campus.
Well, Korean students can be classified into three different types. Those who stay in the dorm, those who stay with their families, and those who have temporary housing nearby the campus.
Students who live nearby campus can choose from different types of housing. These include a one-room apartment, an office cell, a share house, or a boarding house. The latter two are pretty self-explanatory, but the first two, an office cell or a one-room, can be new terms for foreigners. Could you briefly talk about what they are?
Sure. Both are very similar in price and the fact that you can have your own space. A one-room apartment is a house with bedroom, kitchen, and a living area all in a single room. An office cell is a work facility with basic living amenities. Both are pretty small, but they are still the priciest option.
Thanks for the information. Now, then, how do you actually rent a room?
So one way to rent a room is to use applications. If you want to rent a one-room apartment or an office cell, you can use applications such as 직방, 다방, or 네이버 부동산. These applications give you information about houses such as size, price, location, and the photos of the houses. If you go to the setup of the application, you can change the language into English or etc. So you don't have to worry about understanding the categories. But always make sure to look out that there aren't any false promotions.
Right. Also, if you're looking for a boarding house, Airbnb may be a better option for you. Yet, in this case, many of the houses advertised can be only available for a short period of rent.
Last of all, if you want to share houses with housemates, you can find students who share ideas with you on applications such as Everytime. Or you can look out for a shareable, which is a building built for house sharing purpose.
Another way that you can find houses to live in is to actually look around the houses yourself. In Korea, there's a place called 부동산, where you can find real estate agents who can help you find the house that matches your needs. These days, there are many real estate agents that have Instagram accounts, and you can find them through searching the keyword 관악구 부동산.
When you meet the agents, be sure to ask the following major questions. Number 1. Is the water pressure okay? 수압 어때요? Number 2. Whether the room is soundproof. 방음 시설은 어떤가요? Number 3. Are there appropriate number of windows? 창문 개수는 적절한가요? Number 4. What are the surrounding facilities? 주변 시설은 어떤가요? Also, to find the right house at the right place, it is helpful to write a checklist in order not to forget what is important. Last but not least, be sure to check this commission list to avoid fraud regarding commission fee.
Now, that's it for today. Hope this was helpful and thank you for listening to our radio. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any comments or questions, please contact us through the comment section below or through our Instagram account, SNU_SSA.
Bye!